So in this MetaMask tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to add a new account on the MetaMask application. So once MetaMask is opened up, go to the bottom left and press on the Home tab. Once you're here, go to the top right, and for me it says Account 1. Go ahead and select that. And once you're here at the bottom, you guessed it, go ahead and select Add an Account. Once that is done, it's pretty straightforward. Your account's added. Now, if you want to go ahead and change some stuff right here, so if you want to change the account name, the networks, the keys, etc., you can go ahead and press the three dots next to it. But as you can tell right here, I have 3 accounts created. And if you want to create another one, just simply go to the bottom, press on Add an Account to proceed that way. So very simple, very straightforward. That's how to add a new account on the MetaMask application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.